Hey, stop buying property based on what you see. If you are not auditing the structure and potential risks for your capital, you are not investing. You are gambling. I'm John, and over the last 20 years, I managed over $550 million USD in heavy infrastructure projects. Everything from bridges and ports to industrial docks and major public works. In my world, the data is the only thing that matters. But what about real estate? I've seen families lose their entire life savings because they trust a contractor's word or an agent's feeling instead of an engineer's data. So, welcome to Global Property Guider. On this channel, I don't sell dreams. I audit reality. Think of me as your technical lawyer, the only person in the room representing your interests, while others are busy chasing your commission or the profit. My role is to expose what the industry hopes stays hidden, the sole instability they ignore, the structural decay they painted off, and the invisible regulations that can bankrupt your ROI even before you get the keys. I'm here for one reason, to make sure that your capital survives to the cold hard truth of the dirt it's built on. So, from fraud risk to cyclonic wind resistance and subsurface engineering, I simplify technical data into your ultimate financial shield. I've managed structures designed to withstand tropical forces. I know exactly where a building breaking point is. And more importantly, I know how to help you avoid it. So don't sign that contract blindly. Subscribe now to get technical truth about real estate. If you are planning a high stakes investment, watch my deep dives first. Your capital deserves an engineer's eyes, not a salesman's speech.